Hello and welcome to my chess course, How to Play Pawn Endgames Successfully. This first lecture is called Opposition, and I'm going to describe you how to use this motive to win the game or to defend your position. Opposition is such a position when kings stay in front of each other at the distance of an odd number of squares on one rank, file or diagonal. Let me show you an example. White king stays on d5, but black king is on d7. There is one square between them. White also has a pawn on d4. Squares c6, d6 and e6 are critical squares for this position. To promote the pawn, white king should occupy any of them. Opposition is unfavorable for this side whose turn is now. If white has to play, then it will be a draw. Let me show you. King c5, king c7, d5, king d7, d6, king d8, king c6, king c8, d7, check, king d8, and king d6. This is a stalemate. If black has to play, white wins the game, because black gives up the position. King c7, king e6, king d8, king d6, king c8, king e7, king c7, d5, and white pawn will be promoted. Thank you for your attention. I hope now you understand what opposition means. We will continue in the next lecture.